Hi guys, here 5 plus 7 is 12 minus this 72 divide 6 times 2. Here we'll get negative 60 divided by this 6 times 2. Here this is negative 10 times this 2. Here we'll get negative 20 is the answer. This answer is wrong. As per the order of operation, this negative 20 is wrong. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule for this order of operation. Here, this is multiplication, division, addition. So multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. For this, we have to follow here left to right rule. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here bracket is always first. This is bracket. So 12 minus 72 divided by 6 times 2. Here we have subtraction, division and multiplication. Here division and multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. We have to do this first. From this, which is first, we have to do this first because we have to follow left to right rule. So 12 minus this is 12 times 2. Now we have multiplication and subtraction. This is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this now. So minus 24. Now negative 12 is the correct answer. The answer is negative 12.